In today's how-to, we're going to show you how to download the mobile app on Android. Open the Google Play Store and search for YouLi Trip, then click Install to download the app. And once it is downloaded, click Open. You will see a load screen where you can enter the email address that you have registered and booked your trip, and it will request a trip email that will be sent to your email address with a magic link. So you'll switch on your phone to your email. You'll reload to get the email that you just requested. Click the email that says YouLi Trip mobile app, load your trip, and then you click the load trip button from the email, which will open it in your mobile browser. That could be Safari or Chrome. And then at the top, click the load in app button, which will then take you back to the YouLi Trip app that you've downloaded. You now have an offline copy of your trip, including your documents, but you can always switch back to your mobile browser if you prefer, or use the mobile app. In the mobile app, you can choose to go offline. This is great when you don't have connectivity and you want to make sure that you can still view all the information from your trip. Then, when you get back to internet at your hotel, you can click the cloud icon to reconnect, and then click the reload icon to download the latest information so you're always up to date. Thanks for watching this how-to. To learn more about how YouLi makes group travel easy, check out the rest of our playlists or go to youlivetotravel.com.